the way we just came down, usual path, right? Look at that. How am I supposed to get over there? Well, luckily there's an alternate way. Oh no! The alternate way is all messed up too. This water's flowing into the... I gotta go around. Dang. I mean, I could wait it, but I don't really fancy getting my UFOs. I got some UFO pants on today. Baggy stuff. I don't feel like you're getting all crazy wet here. So I'm gonna have to go around. Yeah, the water's filling up this lake. It usually does not happen. Alright. So, came up my normal route here. And usually right here is where we'd walk around the lake. The problem is the lake has been overflowed by the river. It's now a part of the river. Trail is gone. And I don't know if I can walk around. I might be able to walk around actually. Let's take a look. The camera upside down. So I thought we'd be able to walk around the river this way, or the lake to get to the river, but no. The trail disappears here, underwater. You can hear the water flowing way over there. See, like way over there is, on the other side of those trees is where the river is supposed to be. Sort of see it flowing like way over there. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Kind of way over there. Oh well. See if I can find a better way to walk around.
How's it going, man?
Hey, how are you? So, usually, see where all this water's cascading over? That's our trail. That's where we usually walk to get to the beach. Now the beach is usually on the other side of these trees right here. It's all underwater. Laura Jade, will you look at this? That's the lake, and that's the river flowing into the lake. It's not good because when the lake fills up too much, I'm on the other side of the lake. Uh-oh, it's not good. Might have to evacuate. Let's get out of here.